Hi readers! In today's book we met Greta Thunberg, a youth climate activist. To celebrate Greta, let's complete a directed draw of her in cartoon form. Later this week, we're returning to this to fill in the speech bubbles above her, so make sure to hold on to this drawing. You will need a white piece of paper, a marker or pencil for the outline, and a few crayons. Feel free to pause this video as needed or follow the step-by-step handout. Start with a circle in the middle of your paper. Add half circles with a line in the middle on both sides. Next, add lines that start at the top and sweep down towards the ears for her hairline. Below the ears, add overlapping ovals that will form her braids. I put 5 on each side. Add a small rectangle with a couple lines in the middle for the elastics. With one last oval at the bottom to finish off the braid. Draw 2 ovals a bit of a distance apart. Add a small line above the oval, then connect the 2 lines. Do the same at the bottom. This will serve as her sign. Add a small half circle for her neck and 2 lines going outward to serve as her body. Add 2 more lines going straight down in the center to create the look of a shirt and a sweater. Next, we'll add a half circle mouth, 2 half circle eyes with 4 lines on each for eyelashes, and a sideways V nose in between. I'm writing climate justice on Greta's sign. Over her head, I'm putting 3 overlapping speech bubbles. We'll be adding text to these speech bubbles later this week, so make sure to hold on to this poster. Next step, add color. I'm just going to color in Greta's hair, her skin, and her clothes. I might add a colorful background the next time I work on this poster. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will finish this poster.